Top 10 most popular products on Amazon in 2024.
Number 10. Glass Roses, the Childem Mother's Day. Rose Gifts. For Mom is a charming and thoughtful gift option weighing 14 ounces. Manufactured by CQX and listed under ASIN B07ZR8RRX5. This product has garnered high praise with a customer review rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 19,035 ratings. It is currently ranked #3, 846 in Home and Kitchen, and #20 in Artificial Flowers on the Best Sellers rank. This unique gift features a colorful rose flower encased in a glass dome, making it a visually stunning piece suitable for various occasions such as Mother's Day birthdays, or as a heartfelt gesture towards women. The fabric type comprises colorful artificial preserved flowers housed in a glass dome, presenting a romantic and elegant gift idea for the recipient. The finish types reflect a sentiment of love, making it an ideal symbol of affection and admiration. What sets this product apart is its inclusion of warm LED lights that enhance the display of the colorful rose, adding a touch of warmth and ambiance.
Number 9. Hat hooks, the modern JP adhesive. Hat hooks are a stylish and functional addition to any home. Designed with a clean and modern white finish, these hat hooks by Modern JP are made of durable plastic that ensures both longevity and strength. One of the standout features of these hat hooks is their easy-to-use adhesive backing, eliminating the need for drilling holes into your walls for mounting. This wall mount design not only makes installation a breeze, but also helps in maintaining the aesthetics of your space without unsightly hardware. The painted finish adds a touch of elegance to these hooks, making them suitable for a variety of decor styles. Whether you need extra space to hang hats, scarves, keys, or other items, these hooks are versatile enough to meet your needs. In conclusion, the Modern JP adhesive hat hooks blend style and functionality seamlessly, offering a practical solution for organizing your space without.
Number 8. Night lights. The GE LED nightlight with plug-in. Dusk to dawn sensor is a modern lighting solution suitable for various spaces and preferences. This product boasts a sleek design that effortlessly fits into any room, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Branded by GE, a trusted name in home appliances, this night light ensures reliability and quality. The warm white color adds a touch of coziness to the ambiance, creating a pleasant environment wherever it is placed. Measuring at 1.6 inches in diameter, 2.1 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in height, this compact light is easy to install and move around as needed. Its energy-efficient feature helps reduce electricity consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for environmentally conscious consumers. The standout feature of this nightlight is the built-in light sensor that enables automatic activation from dusk to dawn. This functionality provides convenience by ensuring the light is only on when needed, saving energy and prolonging.
Number 7. Damp Duster Sponges. When it comes to household cleaning, the 6-pack Damp Clean Duster Sponge by H. Deyukov is a remarkable choice. Made from high-quality PVA sponge material, this product offers exceptional cleaning performance on various surfaces, including wood, glass, plastic, and stone. The sleek gray color adds a touch of elegance to the cleaning process. One of the standout features of this sponge is its reusability and long-lasting nature, making it not only convenient but also environmentally friendly. With a package containing 6 items, you can tackle a range of cleaning tasks effectively. The 6-pack Damp Clean Duster Sponge is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool suitable for everyone. Its ability to deliver excellent results while being eco-friendly sets it apart from traditional cleaning supplies. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this magic sponge eraser and experience the difference for yourself.
Number 6. Memorial Day Sign Mission Home of the Brave Arrow sign is a visually striking and patriotic addition to any home or space. Made by the reputable brand Sign Mission, this sign features a vibrant Home of the Brave color theme that exudes American pride. Crafted from durable plastic, this sign is built to last and withstand various environmental conditions. The arrow theme adds a touch of uniqueness and modernity to the design, making it suitable for a wide range of settings. Whether you hang it indoors or outdoors, the Sign Mission Home of the Brave Arrow sign is sure to stand out and make a statement. The wall mount feature makes installation quick and easy, allowing you to display this sign prominently wherever you choose. It is the perfect way to show your patriotism and add a touch of style to your decor. Overall, the sign mission home of the Brave Arrow sign is a high-quality product that combines durability, style, and patriotism. It is a great choice for anyone looking to add a distinctive.
Number 5. Cordless hand massagers. The Wall Deep Tissue Corded Long Handle. Percussion massager is a powerful handheld therapy device designed for whole-body use. With a corded electric power source, this massager provides consistent and reliable performance for a variety of massage needs. The combination of plastic and metal materials ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable tool in your self-care routine. Weighing just 1.92 pounds, the Wall Deep Tissue Massager is lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing you to target specific areas or enjoy a full-body massage with ease. The long handle design enables you to reach areas that are typically hard to access, providing a comprehensive and effective massage experience. Wall, a trusted brand known for its quality grooming products, delivers excellence once again with this deep tissue massager. Whether you are looking to soothe tired muscles after a workout or simply relax and unwind at the end of a long day, this massager offers versatile.
Number 4. Oil sprayers. The Chapin 162002 gallon made in USA garden pump sprayer is a reliable solution for efficiently distributing insecticides and other granule-based substances in your garden or backyard. With a sturdy construction and a capacity of 2 gallons, this sprayer can effectively cover a significant area without the need for refills frequently. The design of this garden pump sprayer is user-friendly, featuring comfortable handles and a convenient pump that allows for smooth operation. The 2.3-pound weight of the sprayer makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended spraying sessions. One of the standout features of the Chapin 16200 is its liquid volume of 2,000 milliliters, which enables you to cover large areas of your garden with minimal effort. The sprayer is designed to target insects, effectively ensuring that your plants remain healthy and pest-free. As a product proudly made in the USA by Chapin International, you can trust in the quality.
Number 3. Camping tents. The Coleman, Montana camping tent presents a reliable shelter option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a spacious and durable camping tent. With a substantial occupant capacity of up to 7 individuals, this tent is designed for families or groups venturing into the great outdoors. One standout feature of the Coleman, Montana camping tent is its Rainfly edition, enhancing protection against the elements during inclement weather conditions. Constructed with fiberglass poles, this tent ensures sturdiness and stability while still being relatively lightweight for ease of transportation. Ideal for camping and hiking excursions, this tent offers a generous space for occupants to rest comfortably after a day of outdoor activities. The 3-season design allows for versatility, making it suitable for various weather conditions, while the green color blends seamlessly with natural surroundings. Measuring at 27.5 L into 9.25 W into 9H when packed, the Coleman, Montana camping tent.
Number 2. Portable washing machine. This portable washing machine by Grinchat is a convenient solution for anyone seeking an efficient way to do laundry without the need for a standard-sized machine. With dimensions of 12.5 inches in depth, width, and 13.5 inches in height, this mini washer is compact yet functional. The 11-liter capacity makes it suitable for small loads or items that require immediate washing. The special feature of no basket simplifies the washing process, allowing for easy loading and unloading. Operating this machine is hassle-free thanks to the top-load access location and touch controls. In a stylish purple color and crafted from durable plastic material, this washer is not only practical, but also visually appealing. The specific cycle option for baby wear caters to the needs of families with infants, ensuring gentle care for delicate garments. Overall, the Grinchat portable washing machine offers a blend of convenience, efficiency, and compact design, making it an excellent choice.
Number 1. Acrylic heart plaques. This Ewong thank you gifts for women is a charming and elegant gift option suitable for various occasions. The transparent acrylic material gives it a modern and sophisticated look, making it appealing to recipients of all ages. The floral theme adds a touch of femininity and grace, ensuring that it will be well received by women with different tastes. The thank you style is simple yet meaningful, making this gift a thoughtful way to express appreciation and gratitude to the special women in your life. Whether it's for a friend, family member, colleague, or mentor, this gift is versatile and can